I've got something mind-blowing to share with you today. Alright guys, check this out. We're about to dive into the world of airless tires. Now this is crazy, but imagine never having to worry about a flat tire again. That's right, we're talking about tires that don't need air. So here's the deal with airless tires. They're basically like the Superman of the tire world, indestructible and ready to save the day. These tires are built to last way longer than traditional tires. We're talking about potentially doubling or even tripling the lifespan of your tires. That's not just good for your wallet, it's great for the environment too. Less waste, less resources used. It's a win-win. Now you might be thinking, if these tires are so awesome, why aren't they everywhere? Well, like any groundbreaking technology, there are some hurdles to overcome. But here's the exciting part. Companies like Michelin and Bridgestone are already testing airless tires on real vehicles. We're not just talking about cars either. Trucks, military vehicles, even Mars rovers are getting in on the action. So that's the incredible world of airless tires for you. It's mind-blowing to think that in just a few years, flat tires could be ancient history. As we roll into the future, keep your eyes peeled for these amazing tires hitting the streets. Who knows? Your next car might just come with a set of these indestructible wheels. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.